ahead and pop your balloon, and I'll go over to you and see why you ended up popping. You guys ready? Yeah. All right. Well, with that being said, let's go ahead and bring out our first single guy. Hello.
I like to play pool,
Okay.
swimming, going to the beach, and I like to dance.
All right. I have you hold on to that, and I know this is the hard part, but I'm going to have you pop 2 balloons. No. I know. Everyone says that.
You are all beautiful.
Yes, they are. Come on, Sean. You. Okay.
What would be an intrinsic value that is important?
Let's start here. Name and age. That I value.
Yes.
For me, I would say humbleness. Just based on what I do for work and like how far I've come, I would say that I'm very humble with where I am today, and I just feel like.
Take your time.
Yeah, I would say humbleness, just because like life is short and you never know the different paths that people walk. So I'd never judge a book by its cover, regardless of how much money you have. Right. So if you want to go ahead and just answer his question.
An intrinsic value that I really value is going to be my faith, just because it's taken me a long way in life, and it.
One thing might not fit me, but maybe you might fit me. You know, so I just popped basically because I saw you do the pump fake, like you about to pop it.
We can honestly do whatever. It really depends on how attentive we are to each other. If we're actively listening, you could even just pick an apple off the tree and just tell me to eat it. And I know it sounds real corny, but I'm someone who's real simple. Like, we can just take a walk in the park, have a really in-depth.
Oh, I like really elevated dining experiences. So maybe a nice dinner, but then after dinner being able to go dancing, whether it be an activity and food in combination would be nice.
Mm-hmm. Ladies.
Great.
So ladies, any questions for him?
Yeah, I have some. What's it called? Any drug use of any kind?
No, I do not.
Okay. I can keep going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is, if you are a man of faith, what is your faith?
Fine, that's never gonna happen. Or before I say never, it would rarely. The chances are very slim. You know what I'm saying? But I would express to you, hey, babe, something going on with me. Then of course you gotta let it out. You know what I'm saying? Of course.
Oh, it's gone over there. All right, why did you end up popping your balloon?
I just really feel like they'd be a beautiful pair, for sure. So, yeah.
Hey, blocking your own blessings, but is he someone that's your type?
Yeah, I'm a sucker for African men. You're African, right?
Okay, why'd you end up popping?
I think it was the hesitation at the beginning about the celibacy, and then when you were explaining your day-to-day walk with the Lord. I think prayer is one aspect, but I'm also looking for.
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll have you head on back. Okay, Shad. Well, that is all the balloons popped. Unfortunately.
Very affectionate person. I also love doing surprises. So if it's a.
And why not?
I mean, just it wouldn't make me say, let me go talk to her. Just looking at it would make me say, I'm gonna go approach her. Nothing about her stick out to me and make me oh. I mean, yeah,
All right. So, guys, any questions for each other?
Can I?
Someone who is very family oriented.
Okay.
Someone who's going to like to go to church and values a relationship with God. I like someone. Okay.
Okay.
That would be the top 3.
All right. So we did get some pop balloons.
I think they're good people.
I've been here a while, but the accent is still there.
Yeah.
No, it's not. I appreciate that.
I think you're attractive, and I love that you mentioned humanitarianism, because that's something I value as well. It was just when you, but that's literally just it.
All right.
I would say that right this instant, but I understand, the ideology, and I think she's an attractive person as well. I like the way she's dressed, and she has a nice smell.
Thank you. Thank you. It's gonna.
Treating schizophrenia without a daily pill may seem impossible. But what if there was a path to treatment just twice a year? It's time for Invega the long-acting injection that helps continuously control schizophrenia symptoms for up to 6 months with standing seizures or increase in prolactin. Other risks include increased cholesterol, weight gain, heart rate, and high.
Are looking for. But when you said ratchet, I know there's so many different dilemmas to what makes someone come off ratchet. I'm from New York.
When I need forgiving, I'll bring it back up in a week or 2 weeks. Just truly just forgiving and moving forward.
I understand, yeah. All right.
Name and age and answer to his question. Mimi, 20. Being able to put yourself in the other person's shoes. Also being transparent.
Why are they popping two balloons?
This is an adult show.
One more.
Why are they popping two balloons?
They're popping balloons. It's a game.
But it's not for kids.
Oh, why is it not for kids?
I don't know. It just
Even
says
though-
PG-13.
Then why is there popping balloons?
I don't know. It's just part of the game.
Wait, is there bad words?
Yeah, there's some bad words.
Oh.
Good night.
Good night.
You didn't give me kiss.
I'm never.
I'm never giving you any Minecraft.
What?
And you can't. You're not giving me kisses, so I'm not gonna give you.
Fine, okay.
I love you.
Fine, fine, yeah.
All right. So why did you have your balloon unpopped for him?
I was just listening. I feel like we both have a lot of stuff in common.
Once again, you are a beautiful lady. I can't say really, I just had to pop.
Care is convenience that works for everyone. A world of care is in store.
Okay. Let's start here. Tell him something you're passionate about.
I am passionate about homemaking, so I love curating, and
That's my thing. Okay, we got a pop balloon over here. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
okay, I may have messed up. I didn't let him finish his sentence, but when you said what she said was right up your alley,
And just have a direct conversation with you.
Okay. I like that.
All right, let's
Those are the answers I was looking for.
back. I know. It's good luck picking now. So I'm gonna have you pop 2 balloons. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and pop those 2.
Okay, as I stated earlier, more so giving myself grace. And sometimes I eat improperly. And those are probably my main 2 components that I'm working on personally. As far as
For the moderate to severe lines that I've been seeing, I feel it's time to do something. I noticed that the lines on my forehead, around my eyes, and my frown are getting deeper. My provider explained that
not really with the shades at night, you know, but I can see through them. So as long as I can see your eyes and you don't have.
Now we're